Hi. In this video, I will show you how to turn your Raspberry Pi 4 into an Android TV box running Android 9. To do this, you must have already Android 9 installed on your Raspberry Pi. If not, you may watch my video on how to install Android 9. Please note that graphics driver used for this build only support 1280x720 resolution. If you want to sacrifice 1080p resolution over Android 9 features, then you can try to install it and do some experiment. If you install Netflix, you will be able to download movies and TV shows and watch it offline. You can also play downloaded movies from your USB drive using VLC player. To convert your Android 9 into Smart TV box, you just need to download Android TV Launcher. Open Google Play, then search for Android TV Launcher. Then click Install. After installation, open the launcher. It will automatically convert the display into Android TV application menu. You can change the default wallpaper with your preferred background image. You can also add widget by holding left-click mouse on the top area of the screen. To arrange icon, just hold the left click on the icon and select Move on the application menu. You can install Weather Forecast app if you want to display weather on your screen. That's it for this video. If you like this video, kindly support this channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you. See you in my next videos.